Hi everyone, my name is Akimba and I'm back to you. So today I will explain you how to do the sequence with the bottle and tin, beautiful and one of my favorite pool. First of all, I would like to explain to you for what you need this sequence. You can use it everywhere you want, for example in your show or behind the bar, when you would like to impress your customers. So, it's for your choice, it's depending on your choice. My task is explain to you how to do that quick. So after that I will explain you step by step how to do this. The sequence look like this. Yep, so now I will explain you step by step how I landed. So guys, the first thing I did, it's a thumb roll to the front of me this way. Just one thumb roll. I do this one, then I do thumb roll with the bottle. So look, 1, 2. You can practice both hands same time. So first it's this hand with the tin and then hand with the bottle. Yeah, and when I do the thumb roll with the tin, my hand goes down, yeah. 1, 2, yeah. I'm doing that with the flow. So, and after the next step, I'm just throwing the tin without any spins, just like this, behind my body, and catching, same hand. So look, all together, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Look, 1, 2, 3, and my right hand is ready. Throw. Just with the one spin, like this, you catch over the shoulder. So like this and catch over the shoulder. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this, guys, crossing here and just throwing the shaker, throw the tin and catch. And do the thumb roll, horizontal thumb roll, like this. Yeah? This way. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I did the horizontal thumb roll, I'm doing this move. I'm showed this move to you a few tutorials before. Did this one, yeah. When we just pushing by our palm the bottom of the bottle. So like this, yeah. So and after this, when we push this one, we turn in the body and throw with the one spin the bottle, yeah? And going with the flow, throwing the shaker with the one spin to this hand and grab it. If you do it well, just join thumb rolls when you turning the body here. I'm do one thumb roll here and thumb roll here. So actually it's not difficult. All you need just practice a bit. The most hardly things here, I think it's throwing over the shoulder and throwing the shaker without the spin and with the one spin only when you grab it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page below. I drop the links there. So guys, I post also a lot of tutorials in my Instagram page. I have my online school where you can learn my best tricks with the fingers. Yeah guys. See you in the next video. Make really great tips for yourself. Peace, keep practice.